I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making easy pumpkin dump cake. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So for pumpkin dump cake, we need three main ingredients: cake mix, pumpkin puree, and eggs. And optional ingredients would be cinnamon. You can also use pumpkin spice. You can use any kind of cake mix. That's the most common one, is yellow cake mix. If you're using a spice cake mix and you don't need the cinnamon, but for yellow cake, I think cinnamon is a great addition. But basically here are three main ingredients you need, plus the spice of your choice. Here's the baking dish. It's an 8 by 12 baking dish. I'm going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. However you want to grease it, just so the cake doesn't stick. And now let's dump the ingredients for the dump cake. So we're going to start with eggs. I'm going to use 2 eggs. And now I'm going to whisk the eggs. And let's add the pumpkin puree. And mix it together with eggs. And now we're going to dump the last ingredient for pumpkin dump cake. And this is going to be the cake mix. And I know I said last, but actually there's something else that I almost forgot, but here it is, the cinnamon. It really adds a nice touch, goes so well with this, with a pumpkin. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and if you're a cinnamon lover, you can use as much as 2 teaspoons. I'm going to use 1, and let's mix. So now it's mixed, and here's some ideas for other optional additions. You can add a cup of chocolate chips, or a cup of raisins, or chopped walnuts, or pecans, or add nothing else, as great as this. It's just some ideas for you. So now it's mixed, so let me transfer it to a greased baking dish. And notice with this dump cake, we didn't need to add oil, because normally on the back of the packages of cake mix, they do ask for oil, but here you don't need it, because pumpkin puree, it's a substitute for oil, and it's also healthier this way. So now let's spread it so it covers the dish. And now let's put it in the oven. So again, it's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put it in the oven and bake this cake. So the pumpkin cake has been baking for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready. Take a look at this cake. It looks amazing. So good. And just to make sure it's baked, I recommend checking it with a toothpick. Just pierce it with a toothpick and make sure it comes out clean. Yeah, so it's perfectly baked. And if yours is not fully baked, just return it to the oven for another 5 minutes and then check it again. So this is our great pumpkin dump cake. So easy. And I'm going to wait for about 10 minutes so it cools down, and then slice it and try it. So now the cake has cooled down, and you have the option of frosting if you'd like. You can use a store-bought frosting or homemade frosting, any frosting of your choice. It will be great with vanilla or chocolate. Or you can also just sprinkle it with powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar, or leave it unfrosted. It's awesome. Either way, you don't really have to frost it. Just if you like to keep it simple, and that's what I'm going to do. Just leave it like that and try it. So let me just cut a piece. Perfect. So it looks like it has perfect texture. It's so soft. When I was cutting it, I could just tell. It looks so good. Look at that slice. Let's try it. Perfect. It tastes as good as it looks. It's really moist with pumpkin and so soft with amazing texture. This is a perfect pumpkin cake. And it's so easy to make. You just dump the few ingredients and mix and bake, and it's ready. You will love this easy recipe, and it's perfect for fall. This is awesome. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!